We'll guide you through how to make a second YouTube channel under the same account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So for whatever reason you want to create a second channel, we can do this under the same Google and Gmail account. So you don't need to have to go and create a whole nother account. This is really convenient to do because perhaps you want to go and have a branded channel and not go and use your name, or perhaps it's another reason, like you're going and making a different style of content and you want to have that separated onto a different channel. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's this full guide and we'll guide you through how it's done. So what we need to do is go to the top right of YouTube, come here first, and then what you can do is go and sign in if you aren't already. I'm already signed in, as you can go and see my profile icon there. So then what you can do is go and click on your profile icon and you want to go down and you can press YouTube Studio. Once you're here, you want to go and head to the bottom left and go and find settings. Click there. You can then go and press channel to the left and you want to go and press advanced settings. Scroll all the way down and you can press manage YouTube account and you'll be brought here. Now you can also get here another way by pressing your profile icon in the top right. You can go all the way down and press settings and get here as well. So there's different ways you can go about it. Once you're here, then what you can do is you can go and press add or manage your channels here. If you've already got multiple channels, you'll go and see them here. But in your case, you only have one or two, it doesn't matter. What we can then do is go and press create a channel and you can go and click there. Now what you can do is go and choose your picture here if you want to. You could do that later as well. But what you need to do is go and enter in your name. So I could go and type in Rob Guides, like so. So this does not have to be unique, the name, but the handle does. So if it's not available, you have to add a letter or number after it. And then when you're ready, you can go and press the create channel button in the bottom right and it's going to be made. You're going to get taken straight away to the channel. It may go and say it doesn't exist. If it does, just refresh and you'll be here. You can easily switch account by pressing your profile icon in the top right and we can switch to it. Then you can go and customize it here as well.